Soft, golden, naturally sweet pancakes with no dairy and no added sugar, and that warm berry topping makes every bite feel extra special. Let's make them from scratch. The sweetness here comes from ripe bananas, while oats give these pancakes a hearty, satisfying texture. First, peel 2 ripe bananas and add them to the blender. The riper the bananas, the more natural sweetness they bring. Now add the oats, eggs, unsweetened almond milk, vanilla, baking powder, cinnamon, and just a pinch of salt. Everything goes in before we blend. Blend until the batter is smooth and thick. Those blended oats give the pancake structure without needing regular flour. Heat a lightly oiled pan over medium heat. A thin layer of oil helps the pancakes release cleanly and develop that beautiful golden surface. Spoon the batter onto the pan and let the pancakes cook gently. You'll start to see little bubbles forming as the surface begins to set. Once the bottoms are golden, flip them and finish the other side. That little sizzle is exactly what you want to hear. While the pancakes finish, warm the berries with a little lemon juice and water. As they soften, they create a naturally rich, fruity sauce without adding any sugar. Now comes the best part. Stack them while they're still warm. There's something so comforting about watching a few simple ingredients turn into a breakfast you can share. Spoon the warm berries right over the top and let them settle naturally. The contrast between the soft pancakes and bright, tangy berries is so good. Soft on the inside, golden around the edges, naturally sweet and completely dairy-free. Save this breakfast for later, and subscribe to Quick Bite Lab for more simple, delicious recipes.